welcome back to the next class of the making briquettes out of biomass. This is a biomass, shredded, prepared, and this is the final product. To make this out of these, you have several steps in a whole production line. The first step is to, if your material is too big, you need to shred it, you need to downsize to proper moisture, which is to proper granulation, which is like 5 to 10 millimeters. The second step, you need to prepare material down to the proper moisture to make briquettes, which is between 10 and 15%. For the first step, downsizing, you need a shredder, you need a hammer mill, you need a cleaning unit, and then the second step for drying, you need a drum dryer, batch dryer, different kind of belt dryer, different kind of dryers depending on your raw material. When material go through all these plant, then it's ready to be make briquettes. If you want to know something more about these, please visit our website www.com, C.F.Nielsen.com, or send us email on sales@cfnielsen.com. Thank you.